Experts have raised the red flag over the dwindling stock of common carp, the dominant fish species in Lake Naivasha, blaming illegal and unregulated fish activities in the lake. Experts also believe that the black bass fish species is now extinct in the water body following years of overfishing. To curb the trend, the government deployed the Kenya Coast Guard Service to arrest illegal activities in and around Lake Naivasha. In the last year, the Coast Guard has managed and nab close to 50,000 illegal fishing gear from illegal fishermen in the lake. According to the Beach Management Unit, the Kenya Coast Guard has also managed to tame cases of violent crimes perpetrated by organized. The BMU, through the chairman Paul Olang, has also come to the defense of the Kenya Coast Guard Service following allegations of torture and killings in the water body. This came as the second body was retrieved from the lake, sparking fresh demonstrations along Naivasha-Maimahiu Road, where several cars had their windscreens shattered.